YouTube, what's poppin'? IG, what's good? Retro family, Retro Gang. This your boy, Retro Rick from
Retro Rick and Maddie's Kids.
Coming back at you. Look, Nike Atlanta, that's where we at. We on the sneaker pass. The sneaker pass is back like I've been asking for for like 365 days plus. We get into that later. Glad you back. Before we get into this video and this unboxing, do us a favor, man. Hit that like button. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Share this video. That's what me and Maddie here for. We're going to keep hitting y'all over the head with this heating content. Since that's out the way, let's hop right into it. Yeah, I know they didn't sell out. We still got the sneaker pass. That's what it's all about. I'm glad we got the sneaker pass. You see what's going on here. We got the Animal Instinct size 10.5. Don't know what I'm going to do with this size. Don't worry. I got my size. Trust me. I'm going to rock mine. I'm going to rock them well. Just want to go ahead and put it out here. Maddie, you go ahead, baby. You pull out one. Tell me what you think about it. I'm going to pull out the other one and talk about it.
He's ugly.
Ooh, Maddie said they ugly right off the rip. You know, that's her opinion. She's entitled to her opinion. Everybody is on our channel. Me, I think they biting because I know when I mean biting, I'm going to do something with these. I'm going to wait the dead. I know what I can do with them. You got some type of pony hair on top. You got the cheetah print. The little leopard. You got the zebra in the back. Now look, if y'all know, if they would have put Nike Air on the back in red, man, these things would have jumped off the shelves. I think the reason why they aren't sitting, because everybody kind of, they bread gone on them breads. You spent a lot of bread on them breads. We've seen a lot of people in line with families, making sure they got them Jordan 11s. Let me see. You don't like the Jordan 11s neither? Maddie don't even like the Jordan 11s. She said they basic. Oh my goodness.
Everybody got them.
Hey, look, that's why y'all come to this channel, man. I'm going to have my opinion. Maddie going to have her opinion. We're going to keep hitting y'all over the head with City Lit. So Retro, hey, look, just because I like it, that don't mean Maddie like it, man. So we're going to keep the channel, you know, we're going to keep it neutral. We're going to let y'all know what's going on with Maddie generation, as well as the Retro fam in my generation, man. Hey, they personal. I know people are not going to like them. I'm just showing you around. Kind of just let you know that the light is real good out here. That's why we just stayed in the car. As well, we got to go to a Christmas play. We got to go to my daughter's Christmas play. So we're gonna see how that work out.
I do like the new shoes.
They got Instinct in the inside. What you say, baby?
I like the new shoe smell.
You hear that? She like the new shoes. Yeah, I feel you on that. It's nothing like.
Little Instinct right there.
Got Instinct in the inside. There you go. Thank you, Maddie. Let's take out this. I'm gonna take out the shoe tree. We're going to do a legit check. You got 10 and 10.5 on here. Hope y'all can see that. You got recycle, the recycle symbol. You got the pinch. You got the pinch on both sides of your shoe tree. Make sure you got the pinch. You got the little pinch right there. Shout out to my other guys, man. I got a lot of people assist on these, man. They're going to put the videos out, man. Y'all going to see how your boy and your girl Maddie really be applying pressure out here. We're going to keep y'all linked in the form. I'm steady. The reason why I'm looking at the shoe, because I know what I'm going to do with it, man. I actually like it. Maddie say no go. I say yeah. Y'all leave a comment below. Let us know. It don't matter. I'm going to get back at you. Maddie going to get back at you in the comments. Hey, what we're going to do is sit, lit, or flip? Sit, lit, or flip. You think it's sit, let it sit on the shelves like it's doing. You want to flip it, which, you know, resale value, you can't do too much.
I thought them Off-Whites was...
Or if it's lit, you can rock it. I'm going to say lit. Even if you wanted to wait till it go on sale. Say wait till it go on sale. Ain't no problem. But I had to pick up that sneaker pass. That was the first official sneaker pass for Atlanta. We've been having other sneaker passes when the pop-up was here. So I had to get these, man, because I didn't want to leave that screw in there. I wanted to get it. I've been hollering for it. I hope y'all stay with the sneaker passes. You want to say anything to the people? You know what we say, man. We love y'all. Stay strong.
Wait. Yeah, I have a video coming soon. From me.
Maddie got a look, independent video coming soon on Retro Rick and Maddie's Kick channel. When Maddie videos go on, she go up. And I appreciate y'all. We get a lot of watches on Maddie videos. We coming up, we cooking up something. Don't drop no more hints. Maddie on the way. 2020 is gonna be a problem. You know what we say, man. We love y'all. Stay strong. Stay double strong. Man, stop playing with us, man. There's still a whole lot of gang. Retro Mafia. This is what I mean, man. Look, the young ones, they up next. I'm going to put them on, man. 1127 Kicks, what's poppin', fam? Let's get it.